The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
At Neuren Pharmaceuticals. So the share price is pushing way higher, up by 5.5%. The company is now forecasting around $700 million in sales for its debut product through 2028. Now, the product is used for treating Rett syndrome. It's also received US FDA approval for debut sticks late last year, saying it offers more options for how patients wish to take their medicine. Neuren is now anticipating approval in Europe later this year. And so let's get a view on Neuren, because the biotech space has been so interesting, some of which have had a bit of a wobble. Telix comes to mind. But this company just continues, it seems, to be knocking it out of the ballpark in terms of commercialization. Of course, you want further uses for their product, but do you like Neuren fundamentally?
We've never owned it. It's one we've sort of watched with interest. It's been a terrific performer for those that managed to get in early enough. Basically, I think it was 2018, a company called ACADIA. They entered an agreement whereby Neuren got $100 million up front, and ACADIA took on the role of the marketer, the promoter, if you like. So taking all the commercialization part of the business. And I think that's been a very good move for Neuren. It's allowed them to focus now on using their profitable their profitable arm, which is focusing on Rett syndrome, to fund a whole series of other clinical trials. So I think they've got another 3 or 4 sets of clinical trials in either stage 2 or stage 3. And that's a very good position to be in. It's not like many of these biotechs that are, putting together their first product and taking that through the various stages of the trial process. So Neuren is in a relatively strong position for a biotech, and if they can start to get some more clinical trial results moving in their favour, then there's no reason why the share price can't continue. They've had some positive updates regarding their trials, whereas Telix, on the other hand, although they've got the one very good product, some of their trial results or trial updates haven't been maybe as strong as the market was hoping. So am I going to go buy on Neuren? Probably not, just because I don't know enough about it, and it still remains relatively high risk. I'll just go a hold on it for now. Okay,
hold for Neuren. What did the charts tell us about Neuren?
It's been doing well. Obviously today I think it's up about 8%. But like Michael, it's not one that we've held before. But the good thing about this sort of pharmaceutical companies, they do have the revenues coming in, and not just that, but they have been up. They have been surprising analysts recently with with their royalty revenues, and another good announcement today, and the shares have popped higher. So you're in a sweet spot at the moment. I don't know how high it can go. It's not sort of a sector that we specialize in, but it is trending. The CEO's got a bit of skin in the game as well. Holds a decent amount of stock. So look, everything's going right for it. But you raise an interesting point. Comparison with Telix. It's going well until it isn't. So. And things can turn pretty quickly in terms of investor sentiment with these sorts of companies. So for me, again, like Michael, I'd have it as a hold. I don't know if I'd buy it after a jump up 8% today. And then I think for investors, you've got to run a trailing stop. So Telix was one that we had been involved with, didn't fall in love with the company, ran a trailing stop, got out at some point. And I think you just have to do the same with this. So there will come a point where they might go through a bad patch, and maybe there's some FDA approval that gets knocked back or whatever. So you want to be able to hold to your profit. So happy to hold, but I think our viewers need to run a trailing stop under it.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.